Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 11 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The honorable member also suggested that the rules for recruitment and promotion, etc., should be uniform for all ministries, whether participating in the Central Secretariat Service Scheme or not. It must be, and this is so, except for the Ministry of External Affairs and the Railways. These have different rules, but these rules are very much similar and there is not much difference. But because these persons are recruited for different purposes and by different agencies, they are separate. Therefore, his purpose in saying that there should be uniformity is almost carried out. The only difference is that the Ministry of Home Affairs does not control the services in these two ministries. Then, sir, questions were raised about backward areas and the backward states and also about the city of Calcutta. If the budget is properly scrutinized, it would be found that assistance is provided for the states, particularly the backward states, and the Finance Commission, which assesses the overall requirements of the states, takes this into consideration and makes its recommendations, which are carried out every time the Finance Commission's recommendations are received, and they are received periodically according to the Constitution. Sir, I would like to give the total amount paid to the states on this account. The main objective of planning is to create conditions in which living standards are raised in a sufficiently reasonable level and all citizens are given full and equal opportunity for growth and service. The plans seek to provide a balanced emphasis on increase in production and employment. The development plans are thus accepted as a means for ensuring equitable development in the field of social services. There is no reason to suppose that the needs of the less fortunate or prosperous states are being neglected. But it would not be proper to expect that all these differences could be wiped out now immediately. It must be seen whether we are going towards that very end or not. We are deliberately going towards that end, and we hope and trust that in course of time these inequalities would be wiped out. If not completely wiped out, at any rate they would be lessened. My honorable friend complained about inadequate provision included in the plan for meeting the growing requirements of the city of Calcutta, where even the basic services like water supply, sewage disposal, and drainage were not being augmented, and that the central government was not enthusiastic about solving these difficulties.